natin ang iba pang mga miyembro ng UAP Women's Volleyball Champion Team ng Ateneo ng Eagles. Sila Elia Omiro, Julia Morado, Michelle Morente, Ariel Patlongon, at Ella De Jesus. And of course, together with Devin and Eliza. Palakpak naman para men. Yay! Welcome to the score. Finally, alam niyo ba, isang linggo namin tinays yung pagpupulit ng fans niyo. Kaya na ba mag-guess ng Eagles at the score? May exams po sila. Studies first. Pero yun ang isa kong tanong. Marami nagtanong. Nagbukas ako ng Twitter kanina. Sabi ko, throw me some questions you want me to ask you guys. Unfortunately, hindi ko makikredit yung tanong sa nagtanong kasi yung pangalan niya, kapangalan niyo. May mga accounts na ganun, di ba? Alam mo yun, may number na lang. So, walang real name. But anyway, how do you balance being a student athlete? Let's go with the elder state women here. Ella. Okay, how do you balance? Very veteran. How do you balance, school and play?
Siguro kasi after training, yung free time namin, as in, pag-aaral na lang.
Yun na yun? Wala na kayong like...
Wala kami social life.
Ang lakas ng tao nila, mga totoo ba? Okay, fine. Alright, pero yun nga, aside from that, siguro sa konting social activity, what do you guys do outside of the volleyball court, outside of the library, or wherever you study? Bulungan pa eh. Di, kaya sila matangkad. Kids, mga bata, mga nagpupunta bagets, okay, now you know. Okay, alright. I thought matagal ko na gusto rin kasi napo na rin. Let's go back to the series. Napo na rin ng ibang analyst na. Ang galing na rin ng mga younger players, no? Si Eliza, you credit that to first si Gia and si Michelle. Paano yung ginawa? I mean, ako, rookie ako. Kakabahan naman ako. Pumasok ako sa punong-punong MOA Arena na, alam mo yun, you just can't picture an Ateneo LaSalle game, whether it's now, it's both basketball and volleyball. Okay? Paano yung ginawa? Yeah, please, Mike, go ahead. Yeah.
Kasi start pa lang ng season, sabi na lang nila Ate Lai sa amin and yung ibang seniors na since rookie year pa lang namin, wala pa namang ina-expect sa amin. So, kailangan lang namin pumasok ng court, tas maglaro. Tas sila Coach Tyren, tinatry nila hindi ipag-feel sa amin yung pressure. Kaya sinasabi niya parati na play happy and everything. Ganun.
Ayan, permission. How do you explain your being a rookie but not so rookie-like?
Kasi sinabi niyo po ni Coach Tay na good players kami, na kaya namin gawin lahat ng makaya namin. So, yun po.
So talagang boosting of confidence ang talaga ni Coach. Si Amy naman, sa mga nagtataka din, you've seen her around the team but you've been injured, di ba? So how did you feel this is your first, you say, full season that you were fully healthy?
Yeah, I was happy to get like an opportunity to like contribute to the team and play. So yeah, I was just happy to get the
First year
opportunity.
ka na rin, di ba? Kasi it's like your first year also, this sort of stay tuloy ako.
First year to start.
Yes, exactly. First year that you're really, heavy playing time.
Contributing.
Exactly. For Ariel, second year also, with the Fab 5 last year, not much playing done, but thrust into the main court this year. How did that feel contributing ka agad?
Sobrang unexpected and sobrang sarap ng feeling na kasi nga last year hindi naman ako naglaro and then kababalik ko lang after 2 weeks na wala ako. So now na bigla akong pinasok tapos nagawa ko naman ata yung dapat kong gawin. So syempre sobrang sarap sa feeling and yung trust ni Coach Tay sa akin na binigay na sobrang saya.
Alright. So speaking of Coach Tay, ilang beses na paulit ulit nababanggit to, natin yung feeling yung heart strong. Ano isa? Happy?
Heartstrong.
Happy with heart strong. Was it one day in practice? This is the team for the year. Paano yun explain sa niya? Tapos nagulat ba kayo? Anong unang reaction niyo? Sinabi niya sa inyo? Or tinunti niya ba itong mga themes na ito na gusto niya i-brainwash sa inyo na ito magkakarga sa inyo for the season?
Actually, siguro sinabi niya, minsan happy lang, minsan unity lang, tapos minsan heartstrong lang. Tapos nung malapit na yung finals, okay, want to see everything. Kasi simple words lang din talaga yung
Kaya.
And yung simple words na yun talaga yung siguro for us, yung naging key para maka-perform kami well sa this season talaga.
Alright. When was the first time na nakita niyo siyang sumayaw at anong reaction niyo? Gusto ko na ano sa reaction na kita ko natin.
Oo.
He was dancing.
Ever? For the first time?
During the game, hindi namin napapansin he was dancing. Like, you were talking about it na your coach is dancing. I was like, really?
Kasi replace na lang.
So So hindi niya napapansin ang live? Kahit yung mga nasa bench?
Kasi sumasunod yun.
Sa sobrang moment, hindi niya na napapansin. Ganon? Okay, rate the dance on a scale of 1 to 10. Ganon eh. Okay. Pero I mean, Coach, of course, si Coach Correa was with us for a long time. And ako personally, I'd still give credit to the momentum of this team, the building the program. Pero still, what was it like, new season, new coach, ang daming bata. I mean, I'll give this to you, Eliza. With all of those dynamics considered, would you say talagang kung may drawing mo to sa isang, write this story, fairy tale ending, but with everything considered?
For sure, as in, wala po, dream come true, as in sabi nga ni Kiwi, para siyang fairy tale na yung happy ending naman talaga sa fairy tale lang din siguro nangyayari. And wala talagang expectation this season, and with, sabi mo nga po, new team talaga, new as in lahat new. So, we just play happy and united talaga, and with the heart strong. Yun lang.
By the way, yung shirt nila,
Yeah.
okay, available na po sa market, di ko alam kung saan. I'm sure marami nagtatanong sa inyo. Ayan, okay, final 2 questions from your fans na hindi ko talaga makikredit kasi karamihan sa kanila, kapangalan ninyo, parang Eliza 75, mga ganun. Okay, have there been any misunderstandings within the team and how did you deal with them? Nangyari ba? You don't have to name names? Ever? Kahit minor?
Yeah. This season,
Wala.
Yeah.
Talaga?
Happy.
Kahit may nagagaw ng tubig mo, sandwich nyo, wala.
We share water.
Grabe talaga. Okay. Ito. Favorite pre-game meal and favorite pre-game ritual or superstition. Let's go from left to right. Sige. Gia. Meron ba? Ayun, you did the mic. Anything special na kinakain?
Anywhere.
Anything?
Oh, Soler.
Hi, Tito Tony Boy. Hindi ako nakatikim na. Eliza, favorite pre-game meal or ritual?
Usually, wala naman. Kasi this season parang, yun, siguro lagi kami nag-team lunch, team dinner.
Before the game.
Yeah, team lunch.
So wala kayong on
Tsaka
your own
si
na...
kaya po alam na po ni Sir Tony yung pre-game ritual.
At ayaw niyo sabihin. You can that ba? Yun na yun, Michelle. Anything sa buffet ninyo, yan.
May nangyayari.
Anong pinipili mo?
Kung ano, kung meron.
Yun na yun.
Usually, kumakain pa ng chocolate before dinner.
That helps. Okay, serious question na bigla. Okay. Then,
I listen to music lang.
music. That's your big image of. Amy.
I take my wrists. That's my superstition. I'm not actually injured. Yeah, I'm not injured, but I tape both my wrists. I just like the feeling.
Ella.
Siguro meron akong mga damit na ginagamit ko for game.
May special songs or ba? Galing nga, wait. Carry it.
Yung night before the game, nagdi-dinner kami ni Mona outside. So kasi nung finals series na namin, yun yung, pag nagdi-dinner kami outside, like nung game 1, nag-dinner kami before the game. Tapos, nanalo kami. Tapos nung game 2, hindi kami nakapag-dinner. Tapos natalo kami. So, inulit namin. Kaya nanalo kami.
Ayos, okay. Alright, last question. Anyone can answer. How do you guys handle the fame now? I mean, it's huwag natin i-deny. You're very famous. People want a picture with you everywhere you go. Kamusta na ang magiging ground? I'd say you're very humble and grounded still, all of you. But how do you handle it now? O, nagtuturo kayong dalawa. Sige, utusan ko na kayo. Take the question. Eliza and Denden. The veterans. Eliza and Denden. Go, answer. Jackie po, yan sumagot.
Siguro kasi kahit kami magti-teammates, parang naglolokohan lang kami. So parang tinitake lang namin siya as light. Kasi for us naman, kung wala din sila, hindi na maganda yung sport na volleyball. So we thank them talaga. And syempre, yung magagawa na lang namin, parang kung gusto na magka-picture, syempre, we have to say yes din talaga. Kasi dahil din sa kanila, kaya ganito rin kami.
Very well said. Dahil dyan, palakpakan niyo. Thank you so much again, guys. Palakpakan natin. Finally, on the score live. The champion team sa Ateneo Eagles. Congratulations. Enjoy naman. Once in a while, pag may time, ha? Thank you. Alright.
Training.
Pagbalik po namin, Bradley Beal.